Today we feel so relieved as ActionSA, together with Thabo Bester's family, that this magistrate court today, they've decided to deny Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's bail application. The reason being, from the beginning, Nandipha has never been an honest person in anything. So even last week, when we were listening to the affidavit from from her defense, they were, she's ill-advised. Nothing was honest in anything. She claimed that she was abducted, but we remember when she arrived in South Africa, she said she was legally arrested. She took the court, the state to court to say that she's illegally arrested. Suddenly she's abducted. But she left the country having 3 passports, and she didn't even use any of those passports. So it clearly shows that Nandipha is behind this. She's a mastermind. So if she can be given a bail, she's going to start again trying to make sure that another Katlego is going to be used to his body to be used as a decoy. Because you know what also gives me a relief is for the state to manage to get the evidence where her fingerprints is there to how she managed to get to claim the body. Because if you remember, as ActionSA, we lay criminal charges against the Department of Health because we know according to Act number 61 of 2003, it clearly shows how somebody must claim the body that is being unknown at the government mortuary. But you could see that something went wrong there. That's why we lay criminal charges against the Department of Health. The body was also found in G4. As ActionSA, we do believe that Nandipha played a role, and we heard in the court of law how she managed to bribe so many people. So we still also open the criminal charges against that. So we are hoping that the investigation will further explain her role in depth in terms of what she did. What we want justice. But what happens today is clearly says that now the magistrate, she restored the dignity of this institution. Because if she would have gone with, she would have been given the bail, all the law-abiding citizens, they would feel discouraged and say that in South Africa it's better not to respect the rule of law, but continue also to do what is wrong. So, but today it's clearly an example to say that no one is above the law. When you are wrong, you will be held accountable, despite who you are.